starting with. So this week, basically, all we did was, after tons and like 75,000 different prototypes, we had decided to focus on one concrete version. So we have like a 2.0 prototype.
It's coming over. It's coming over.
Waiting for the big reveal. Now the big reveal. Big reveal. A piece of paper. Hey.
No, breathtaking. I know. I really. That's
So the whole point of this idea is that we've decided that the pillow itself will go around your neck and be separated into three parts. The main one, which would be, I guess, here, and the two other parts, which would look like this. This would be one of the two other parts that would be on the sides. The point is, when you can take one out, and then maybe if you have more mobility in your arm, which you can bend it, then you put one here, and then it still be pressure sensitive, so you do that, and then the input would go to a computer where the R program which is going on. So the R program, we haven't really decided which one we're going to use. Most likely we're an open source or make our own, and then the code will be written by yours truly. Yes. And yes, it does look like a toilet seat. I just realized that.
Oh, bruh. It will look like a toilet seat.
Now, Mikkel will talk about the Arduinos, which will be in each pillow.
Breaking news, I work with a
One
Arduino,
mic, please.
as well as a breadboard, and it was just a basic little test of being able to, you can see, precious.
Ooh.
Okay, one will most likely be in each pillow.
How is that changing color? What's that sensor you got there?
It's a, what's it called? RGB LED. And it's pressure sensitive right here. This little strip, whenever I press it, changes color.
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
Cool.
And that's basically the fundamental idea of the, pressure and pressure sensor in each pillow. That's it. Input happens, and that's pretty much it.
What's your plan for next week?
Build on our prototype.
We'll be doing a solid prototype, and once that solid prototype is done, the week after that, we're going to start working on our projects.
Ooh. Do we have any questions from the crowd over here?
Abraham, do you have any questions?
It's okay if you don't. We got.
Okay, anyone else? Going once, twice.
Oh, question over here.
What's up?
Where did you get the pressure sensor?
Speak up, sir.
Where did you get the sensor?
When I get the sensor, it came with the Arduino kit.
Really? Which Arduino are you using?
Well, no.
I have that information. Okay, everyone clap for the cats.
Change depending on the width of the person's foot, sort of like at shoe stores where you'll have the thing to measure your foot, measure how big your foot is, and it'll just slide in and it'll most likely lock into place to keep it even more stable, because we realized that one issue was that it could just slide off depending on the angle of the foot. And a few other kinks we were able to work out. Our prime objective for next week is to start getting the pistons working and sort of figure out the actual mechanical, the mechanisms of it, and actually figuring out how exactly we're going to work the inside. And then from there we'll move on to a solid prototype. Anything
Cool.
to add?
Any questions?
I said most of what I was going to say, so, yeah.
This is Eugene.
Are you going to be powering the pistons using redstone?
It's gonna have some internal power source because it's a box, and ideally you don't want to have to plug it in anywhere.
Guys, over here? Questions? Amanda? Oh, I bet. Okay. Okay, good job, you guys.